You're moving where? This has been the response many have received after announcing that they're moving to the northwest of Tasmania. So we asked a few people who've made the journey to tell us what brought them here and why they've stayed. This is Margot's story.
You're listening to Margot Kelly on ABC Northern Tasmania.
Lovely to have your company. Margot Kelly with you. We've got a great show coming up. When I first came to Burnie, there were bushfires burning throughout much of the west coast of Tasmania, which meant that Burnie itself was draped in a cloud of smoke, which doesn't leave the best impression on any city. And I felt a little unsure. When the smoke lifted, I saw beautiful blue water, green rolling hills, as far as the eye could see, an excellent highway in both directions, and went for a drive to some of the most fertile vegetable production area in the country and thought, I've struck gold. I lived in Sydney before I moved to Tasmania, and I completed my degree in journalism and decided I wanted to move to regional Australia. Didn't know where, but a job came up in Burnie. So I took the bull by the horns and applied and ended up here on the northwest coast. I think a lot of regions are defined by the landscape, and there's no denying that the climate and the landscape on the northwest coast of Tasmania is its best selling point. We have pristine beaches right next to wild mountains. We have space to share, we have clean air, and that in turn infuses the culture of the place. I definitely did find it isolating at first, as you would expect, to move to a region where I didn't know anybody. And it is a really close-knit community. Tasmania is really known for that it's not 6 degrees of separation, it's 1 degree of separation, which is very different to growing up in Sydney. Yeah, basically I just threw myself into every opportunity, and just like it would anywhere, it sort of snowballed. Life is very busy here. It's not busy with the chaos of getting to and fro, being stuck in traffic, catching public transport. It's busy with things like being part of the local surf club, doing sporting pursuits like surfboard rowing or hiking. And at the moment there's a real groundswell of young professionals moving to the area, creating for themselves professional development opportunities. I've been lucky enough to be part of a new young professionals network that started just after I moved here, and with that there's no shortage of events or networking opportunities to fill your time with before and after work. The cultural scene here is surprisingly vibrant and very generous, so you can really benefit from going to events, seeing your friends perform, getting to know the artists on stage, and then also if you want to try your hand at it, more than likely someone will give you an opportunity to perform as well. I know that many people who are in the position I was in, sick of living in the city, are looking at options of where they can move and create a life for themselves that's really fulfilling. And my advice would be, give Tassie a go, give Northern Tassie a go, give the coast a go, because it has everything you're looking for. It's got lovely weather, amazing beaches and mountains. It's got job opportunities, a great network of young people here now, and it's really on the uptick. So if you want somewhere that's enjoyable to live, that's affordable to live, and where you will have all the opportunities that the NBN affords you, you really can't go past looking at the northwest coast of Tasmania.
Proudly brought to you by Business Northwest, promoting regional growth.